No, you guys, no, come closer because I don't think I can see. Can you guys see anything on my face? Or like on my forehead? Like, no, wait, come closer. I don't think you guys can see. Come closer. Can you see anything? You can't see anything, right? No. I just said let me ask because I think some people in this world have looked at me. They looked at your boy. They looked at the mannequin and they said, this guy has stupid on his forehead.
Oh no, back.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benny Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, coming to you live from Mannequin Studio. And today, I'm actually not even here to shoot a video. I'm honestly just here to gist you guys about my day. I just got back from work. It's Friday, so today's work day is like half day. Let me turn up the brightness on my things. I feel it's a little bit dark in here. So if you guys know, the new iPhone came out, the iPhone 12. Amazing. I'm telling you, this is the only iPhone release I feel like I'm actually like fiending for. Like, I actually feel like I want it. Like, I've looked at my phone right now. I have the iPhone XS. So that's the XS, yeah, the XS. And I skipped last year because I was like, there's no point. I don't see the point of doing that. And last year I was actually on the wave of trying to transition into using something else, not Apple. But this year, with the new shape of the iPhone, I don't know. This is not a video about the iPhones, but you guys will understand where I'm getting at. The new iPhone it's amazing. It's amazing. So I'm looking to get the 12 Pro. That's what I'm gonna be getting. But so how I usually get my phones, because one advice for you guys: never trade in your phone with Apple. Sell it on eBay. You're probably gonna get a better deal, like $100 more. So this year again, I listed my phone. I took pictures. I'm gonna show you guys. I can show you guys a picture if you want. You know, your boy has some sauce with the camera. Anyways, I took some pictures of my phone and I posted it up on eBay. I posted it on Facebook Marketplace, trying to sell my phone. I'm hopefully trying to get like 500 so that I can get the Pro and I can just pay like 500. I know my cheap ass can be, you know, but I mean, cents, like I said, 2 more cents will kill me. But for real though, so I listed it up for about, I started the listing bid at, I believe 300. And so obviously, so when people bid, hopefully I can get closer to the 500. So maybe like lowest point, I'm looking to sell maybe 440. Anyways, I did that. And today I was sitting on my own. And guess what happened? I got a message from Ruth. Like that. I'm going to, and mind you, I'm usually hip to this type of things. I'm the kind of person that, like, when I can tell someone's trying to scam me or trying to play a fast one, I would like play along just so I waste your time too. Cause it's like, you're not gonna, I'm not about to let you waste my time, and I don't waste your time too. Like, are you mad? Like, come on. We're both going to waste our time. We're useless, right? Okay, what are the ones who waste our time here? Like, okay. So I got a message from Ruth. The person's name on Facebook is Ruth Holcomb Spaulding. Or off the back, when I see people like this message me on, because I've sold things on Facebook Marketplace before. When I see people like this, I'm always like, okay, this is definitely some guy from my homeland trying to scam me. I could already start to smell some, like, someone was a little bit fishy. You get me? Cause a little bit fishy. But I decided to roll with it. So I got, hi, I'm interested in the iPhone XS. What is your firm price? And like I told you guys, I said I'm not trying to go lower than 440. And then he or she, well, at the time, she goes, okay, I hope it's in mint condition. And that's where I started to smell something fishy. Because Americans don't say mint condition. That's a Nigerian slang right there. And I was like, okay, this boy is deep in the heart of Lagos. Like, I mean, okay, I'm saying mint condition as in as it in exactly. Another thing, I didn't even note this at the time, but it says I hope it's in mint condition as it's in post. And are you selling with the box and accessories? And I just carried along with it. I was like, yes, it will come with a charger and a block. I can also throw in some cases, you know, trying to milk some more money for it, you know. I'm a businessman. She says, okay, that's understandable. I'm available for the pickup. Would like it shipped to my friend in Florida. I will be paying, including the shipping cost. Boom. That's where I caught it. I was like, okay. Anytime these people online tell you that, oh, they can't pick it up or they wanted to ship it to their friend, it's like, okay, come on. So I was already on it still. I was like, yeah, this guy. You've seen Mugu on my head. I was like, alright, cool. I'll waste your time because you that you're in Nigeria, you burn your data before you scam me. And then I was like, LOL, where are you? I'm sure at this point he was kind of like, oh shit, this guy's onto me. And then he was like, why asking? Doesn't matter. And I was like, okay, yeah, come on. Like you could at least go and learn this scamming game better. Like, at least be like, oh, I'm in Orlando for the weekend. I can't get myself to Florida, or I'm in the hospital. I got COVID. Come on, guy. Like, there's so many things to lie about. Like, learn your scam game, guys. Like, come on. And I'm like, and I play along with them. Like, LOL, you're the one buying the phone, right, Ruth? Because I mean, I would rather ship to you than a friend. And she goes, I'm getting it as a gift for him, so that's why I want it shipped to him. Any problem with that? And I say, no problem. And I say my petty self. This honestly, I have to. Yeah, this is petty as hell. But I say no problem as long as I get my money before. As long as I get my money first before shipping. You know, to avoid any scammy business. This is the part where I start to play, like, mess with his mind, because it's guilt trip, and I put it in quote, which I'm sure you don't do. I put it in quotation, obviously, because at that point I can tell that he's like not strong-hearted. So when I say things like that, it's gonna bother him. Like, it's going to mess with his mind. You know, your boy's a psychologist, so don't play with me. Don't play with me. And then he goes, your location shows Nigeria. Are you Nigerian? So I go back and forth to Nigeria. So my Facebook, honestly, I don't really use my Facebook a lot. So, and I should probably get that checked, because that's probably why a lot of stuff I try to sell on Facebook Marketplace never sells. But like, he says my location shows Nigeria. This is like, that was all together. When he said, I was like, oh yeah, okay. His card's on the table. And he's like, are you Nigerian? I was like, I'm Nigerian, but I live in Boston. And I go ahead and say, oh, are you Nigerian? Because at this point, the cat's out the bag. I know this guy is definitely. And he's like, hey, my man, what's up? What's up, bro? I don't scam my fellow blacks, though. Recognize the name, SM. You're Igbo, I guess. Yeah, he's Nigerian. Because no one that's not Nigerian would know that SM is an Igbo name. I'm sorry. Like, it's just not possible. So, yeah. But there's a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that don't mess with the mannequin. Because I know you scammers out there. I know. Come closer. Step into my office. Are you? So wait, you looked at me. You looked at this guy. You said you're going to scam this guy today. Not today, Satan. Not today. This video basically, it was just to show you guys, be careful out there. Like, people that have a lot of time. A lot of people lost their jobs, so people have time to get in this scamming business. So be careful what you do. Like, just keep safe. You don't want to lose your money to people. Like, you don't want to get scammed out of your money or out of your item. That's the worst thing that can ever happen. It's clearly this guy is a rookie and a learner. All I'm saying with this video, stay safe, guys. Be careful. Do your checks. Always second guess everything on the internet, because the internet is a very slimy place. Anyways, guys, once again, you've been amazing. I've been Ben. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it's your first time watching me, leave a like, comment. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Peace.
Alright, where's your swagger? Where's your swagger? Where's your swagger?